Jessie here. I am back with my weekly grocery haul, and it's a pretty teeny tiny one this week. I signed my family up for a meal subscription service. It's Every Plate. I've tried HelloFresh in the past and really liked it, but it was expensive, so we're trying out Every Plate right now, which is a little bit less expensive. But because I did that, I have a box coming with 3 meals for my family, so I didn't need to buy quite as many groceries this week. Plus, I wanted to take the Every Plate box out of my grocery budget for the week. So, I went to the grocery store and only spent $60. And this is just fine because I have a freezer full of stuff to supplement. So I just basically went for some fresh produce and a few other little odds and ends. So, it's going to be super duper quick this week. We're just going to go ahead and run through it real quick. So first, I got a gallon of milk. I apologize for the shadows. The light is behind me. This is not the greatest setup. We're in the process of remodeling our bathroom, and so everything's a little bit chaotic. I've got all the stuff from my bathroom on my kitchen table, which is where where I typically film my grocery hauls, so I apologize for that. I did get a couple of little treats. I got some unicorn berry frosted sugar cookies. I bought sugar cookies for my kiddos for Valentine's Day, and they loved them. I forgot how much we love these soft-baked sugar cookies, so I picked up some more. Also, on the bakery rack, they had punchkis for $2.39. These are the apple ones, which are my favorite. I should not be eating these. These are not Weight Watchers approved, but a little treat every now and again won't hurt. They had these Honeycrisp apples on sale for $3.20, so I picked up those. I also grabbed a rotisserie chicken. We're just going to do like a Caesar salad with rotisserie chicken tonight for dinner. A couple of cucumbers. We really like to use this for popping popcorn, so we were just about out, so I picked up one of those. Also got some spicy brown mustard for my husband for his sandwiches. We were just about out of coffee, so I needed a new can of coffee. Some romaine lettuce. Picked up some sliced sharp cheddar cheese, as well as my husband's favorite, the hot jalapeno and habanero jack. I got some bananas. We've been on a rye bread kick lately, so I picked up some New York style rye. This stuff is really good. It could be sliced a little bit thinner. I like really thin sliced rye, especially when you throw it in the toaster. I love rye toast, but it's pretty good, and for the price, you can't beat it. I love the Great Value brand. Picked up a couple things of half and half for coffee for the week. I like to buy 2 small ones instead of 1 large one because I just find that it stays fresher longer that way. When we open up the big container of half and half, it takes us the full week to go through it, and usually by like day 7, it's no good anymore. So we could just go through one, leave the other one nice and sealed, and it just stays fresher longer. So there's that. From the deli, I picked up half a pound of beef pastrami. My husband loves pastrami. And I also grabbed a pound of the turkey. I got a couple of bottles of my husband's favorite unsweetened pure leaf tea. And lastly, in the back there, I just got some barbecue potato chips. So, that's it. Super quick and easy haul this week. This will definitely supplement that Every Plate box nicely. I will be doing a separate video on Every Plate so you guys can see what I've got in my order, as well as a review on that service. I did a review on HelloFresh a couple years back, and it was really well received. So I'll definitely give you guys my thoughts and opinions on Every Plate. But for now, that's it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment down below and tell me if you did. I'd love to hear from you. Subscribe. I do videos every single week. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye!